I'm Siddharth Karmakar. I am the MD here and owner of Mukti. I've been in the restaurant industry for over 15 years. And I've been in French cuisine, Italian, Indian, and I've traveled the world also. I've been around the UK, US, Australia, Hong Kong. And this is where I've developed my journey and my palate and my taste in food and cuisine. Mukti's concept is a casual family dining restaurant where we focus primarily on sharing plates. For us, the idea of food is to have fun with your food and with the people you are with. When you can enjoy the food with the company you are, it makes the experience so much more valuable and enjoyable.
My name is Hari, an educative chef. Onion bhaji is Indian. It's more popular dish. Onion bhaji is like more like Indian people. Everything is like this foreigners. More like this, like crisps, crunchy, and it's like this light flavor, and this golden brown is nicely. Palak paneer is this like a spinach. Spinach is fresh spinach after blanch. So like blinders, so like little onion chop. It's more little like some people is spicy, some people is not spicy. So like the cottage cheese. And the cottage cheese basically the Indian name is paneer. Mutton rogan juice is a Kashmiri dish and more little spicy, whole spices, and mutton is, lamb is marination whole night. Whole night is whole chilies and coriander whole, is like masala separate. Lachha paratha is a whole wheat paratha flour. Whole wheat of making is flour dough, and after is making roll something is little butter and is salted, and it's like whole wheat flour powder make this round roll. After is making out of put their tandoor. This round is lachha paratha is making. This put is fresh coriander. Fresh coriander. After you serve, this butter after crunch and you serve.
I think that people should come to Mukti because of the kind of food and environment that we can bring to you here. For the food that we can bring you, me and Harry as the chefs have valuable experience around all over the world, plus in India also, from north to south to east to west. The kind of experience we want to give you guys is to take you on a journey around India by giving you different dishes, flavors, profiles, everything that we can think of to excite your palate and to bring you into the journey of what India really is. And I feel like at the restaurant, the environment, the service, the staff, we want everyone to be a family, right? So that as the community grows, we'd love to get to know you, we'd love to have you here, and we'd love you to experience the food that we have at Mukti.